You want to know? So here we go. My daughter and I love this Beetles gel nail polish kit with UV light. This is incredible. It has versatility and it has complete at-home salon experience. So this 68-piece kit has everything we need for stunning nails, including 35 vibrant all-season gel polish colors, a base coat, matte and glossy top coats, and even a glitter top coat. The variety of colors makes it easy to match any mood, outfit, or occasion, from workdays to vacations. And the professional nail lamp is a game changer with 30 lamp beads, even curing, and time settings for quick, flawless results. The automatic sensor is a convenient touch, turning the light on and off as we insert or remove our hands, and plus the long-lasting formula ensures our nails look perfect for 3 to 4 weeks. So this kit also includes some fun extras like nail stickers, French tips, and gems, and we can create unique designs effortlessly. So whether it's for a special occasion or self-care like we do, this kit is perfect. It's also an ideal gift for any nail enthusiast or any other lady you know. With this kit, we can skip the salon and enjoy pro quality nails at home. And now you know.